Oh boy, here we go. Membership is now available for this channel. You can now turn on or join the membership group live right now on this channel, waveguy. And here we go. To do that, I'm going to show you guys the stages and levels involved in the membership and what you are going to get access to when you join my membership. Let's get into it. Some perks might be upgraded depending on the viewer's opinion. Those that are going to purchase that particular level, you might have an opinion to give, and that is going to be upgraded. Alright, let's scroll down to the levels. This is the link. I'm going to share the link in the description of this video for you to use and join my membership with this channel membership levels and perks. So we have the silver wave, we have the golden wave, which involves, and also every level, like if you purchase level 2, you are going to have access to all perks in level 1. All right, moving on, level 3, we have the diamond wave maker. Here you're going to get, then we have epic wave maker. These perks for now are just there, but these perks are going to be upgraded or readjusted when people join the membership. If you want to help the channel, please, you can join the membership. That is going to help the channel a lot. Please guys, do it, just do it.